In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google to get to Notion. Sign in and add a OneDrive link right inside your Notion page so everything you need stays organized and easy to access. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Notion and review the results. Look for the official Notion website. It should clearly reference the Notion platform and typically appears at the top of the results. Click through to open the site. This quick search route is handy if you don't have the exact address memorized and helps you avoid outdated bookmarks. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Login. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's email, single sign-on, or another option you've set up. Keep your credentials private and secure, and if you see a prompt to choose a workspace, pick the one where you want to work today. After login, you'll land in your Notion workspace with your sidebar and pages available. Next, open the page where you want to place your OneDrive link. When the page loads, click directly into the main writing area, the body of the page. This ensures your cursor is active exactly where you want the link to appear. If the page is new, you'll see a blank canvas. If it's existing, choose the right spot in your content. Now type the word OneDrive. As you type, Notion often displays helpful suggestions to speed things up. You may see an option labeled OneDrive appear just beneath your cursor. This is Notion's way of surfacing the integration so you can connect content from Microsoft's cloud storage without leaving your page. Click the OneDrive option in that suggestion list. Notion will insert a small block or prompt related to OneDrive, preparing the page for a linked item. This keeps your document tidy and makes external files easy to find later. Finally, click Link within that prompt. You'll see a field where you can paste a sharing link to your OneDrive file or folder. Have your OneDrive share URL ready and paste it in. Confirm the link, and Notion will add it to the page. For the smoothest collaboration, make sure the OneDrive link has the right sharing permissions so teammates who need access can open it without issues. That's it. You searched for Notion, logged in, clicked into your page body, typed OneDrive, picked the OneDrive option, and used Link to add your file. Simple, clear, and effective.